I am Muhammad Naseem, ex-professor, Department of Ancient Indian History, Culture and Archaeology, Banaras Hindu University. Today, I am going to present a talk on general features of yoga. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite or to integrate. It is an old Indian knowledge of the body. There are varieties of yoga schools, practices, and goals in the Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. It is a way of life and it does not comprise of physical asanas but also inclusive of thoughts and one's interaction with the environment. It is an art and science of healthy living. Yoga Sutra, a 2000-year-old treatise on yogic philosophy by the Indian sage Patanjali, is a guidebook on how to master the mind, control, and the emotion. It is a union of the organ systems in the body with consciousness in the mind. It is a systematic practice of physical exercise, breath control, relaxation, and positive thinking. Yoga practice involves physical activities, that is posture or asanas, and breathing techniques, that is pranayama. To get maximum benefit of it, one should follow some rules. One should have sense of humor, humility, smile, contentment to get a lot of benefit of it. It is advisable not to eat for 3 or 4 hours before yoga practice, not to drink during the yoga practice, eat or drink after half an hour of the yoga exercise. Wear loose comfortable clothing to avoid obstruction during the yoga practice. Daily practice of it has a very effective positive results in a perfect pose. The benefit of the yoga is exaggerated. It cannot cure severe diseases, but it helps to control some physical and mental diseases. Its poses strengthen the muscles. It helps to bring flexibility in the stiff body. Concentrating on the breath stops mind wandering. It builds awareness, consciousness, and reduces insomnia. Regular yoga practice brings mental calmness and relaxes mind.